Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up an automated system promoting Digistore24 offer from scratch, step by step. Keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is JR at jercallora.com. In this YouTube channel I talk about affiliate marketing, make money online, product reviews. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Without further ado, let's dive right into our video. Now, the tool that we will be using today, guys, is System.io. Now, the reason for that, guys, is System.io is 100% free. Now, if you wanted to use this exact software, I'm going to put a link below this video. That way you can just go directly into the website and sign up your account. As you can see, guys, you can use the software for free without monthly payment. All you have to do is to go to that link in the description of this video and then click on get started for free and then put your email address right here. Now, once you have an account, I'm just gonna log into my account because I already have an account inside of System.io. Now, once you already have an account inside of System.io, as you can see, I'm building my email list using this software right here because I got a problem with my previous software, so I need to migrate in System. That way you can start rebuilding my email list with this, right? So once you log into your account, just click on funnels right here, and then this is where we set up our funnel, or we set up our lead capture page. But before that, guys, I want you to go to Digistore24. Now, if you don't know what is Digistore24, it's basically a marketplace where you can promote any kind of products that you want. Same with ClickBank, but it's a brand new marketplace, and it's one of the fastest growing marketplace right now. And you can also promote digital product with Digistore24. Right now, I have a brand new account inside of Digistore24, so you can just sign up your account. I'm just gonna log in right here, and you can sign up your account to Digistore24 for 100% free, and just go to marketplace right here and just click on offers. Alright guys, so this is where you access, guys, to millions of products that you can promote right here. You can promote animals and pets products, bathing system products, business and investments, computer and internet, dance and music right here. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be using this product right here, which is this Ultimate Energizer, because this will be the product that I'll be promoting. If you wanted to use the same offer or product, then you can use this offer just by searching this keyword right here, Ultimate Energizer right here, and then with this you can make 90% commission if you choose to promote this offer right here. So this is your affiliate link, but I don't want to use this affiliate link, guys. I want you to click on this support page right here. It will open up this page right here, and then I want you guys to choose this, the Ultimate Energizer guide. Just click on Tales for resources. So this is where you access to this email swipes, banners, and custom tools right here. So I want you guys to scroll down a bit and then just choose the second one right here. All right, I'm gonna be using this one. I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go to a document and then just paste that affiliate link right here. So this is your affiliate link. I don't want you guys to use this affiliate link right here. Just use this second link and paste that link right here. And before you send traffic into this link, I want you guys to replace this with your Digistore24 affiliate ID. So my affiliate ID is jercallora, and then I'm gonna put in a campaign K right here. I'm gonna put in the product name, which is Energizer, but you can put whatever campaign K you wanted to put there. Alright, so before you send traffic into this, we need to set up a campaign inside of System.io. So I want you guys to go back to System.io and then click on create and then name your campaign. Let's say Energizer, and then just click on build an audience and then click on save right here when I open up this page, and then click on the funnel that you've created, and then this is where we select a template that we can use. I want you guys to scroll down at the bottom portion of this and then choose a really simple template that we can customize. Just choose this one, click on select, and then we'll be editing this page by clicking on this edit page right here, so that way we can customize our landing page. All right, now I want you guys to go back to your document and then copy your link and then open this, guys, in a new tab or a new browser. All right, so this is your landing page link, or this is where you send the traffic. All right, now before you do that, guys, I want you guys to try to exit this page. Right, when you try to exit this page, there will be a pop-up right here. Right, I want you guys to click here to read the text presentation. Click on this one, it will open up this text presentation right here. All right, so this is where we copy our headline. All right, so I want you guys to scroll down right here, so we can use this headline right here, save up to let's read this one right here, save up to 67%. So we can go back right here and we can, you know, paste this one right here. Right, and then I want you guys to copy this next, you know, line right here, and then go back right here. You can now duplicate this one and then just paste that text right here, and then just make it smaller. You can, you know, adjust the font size of this, something like this, and then adjust the line height. All right, and then just highlight this text right here, and then change this into something different color, something like this. And then yeah, so this is your opt-in page or landing page link right here. All right, so I'm gonna click on this button right here, and then I'm gonna copy this link, guys, and then I'm gonna go right here, click on this button right here, and then just click on open URL, and this is where you place your affiliate link, which is the most important thing. Right, so while you've done that is just click on save the changes and exit this page right here. So that should be your, you know, opt-in page or lead capture page. I'm just gonna remove this, you know, second step right here because we don't need that one. So the next one is set up a campaign. Go to emails and click on create campaign right here, and just click on create campaign and name your campaign Energizer. All right, and then just click on save right here. All right, so you have this campaign right here. All right, just click on that campaign and then just click on add email. So this is where you set up our email. Now go back to the resource page right here, click on email swipes. So you got this email swipes right here. So just copy the headline right here, and then just go back to system and then put the headline right here. Click on this classic editor, guys, and then click on create right here. All right, and then go back again right here, and then copy this entire, you know, body of the email. So this is the email right here, and then paste that email right here. And don't forget, guys, to change this with your affiliate link. All right, just go to your document and then change this with your affiliate link right here. Just highlight this text and then just embed your affiliate link right here. Don't forget to do that, guys, because, you know, otherwise you cannot get you cannot make money with your campaign. Right, and then just click on save and publish right here, guys. Just click on save and publish, and that should be 0 day. This will be sent automatically once the you know, click on or they sign up into your opt-in page or squeeze page. And then next, guys, is add in a new email again, and then go back to the source page right here. Again, go to emails. So this is the first email. Now the second email. Now we'll be using the subject line right here, and then just paste that subject right here, and then classic editor, and then click on save right here, and then go back right here, and then just copy the body of that, you know, email. All right, so that should be copy it and paste that right here, and don't forget to put that your link, put this changes with your link right here, and that should be 1 day. Let's click on save and continue. That should be 1 day after that first email. All right, 1 day after that first email, and then click on save right here. And all you have to do, guys, is to keep on doing this until you copy and pasted all of these email swipes right here. All right, so just copy and paste all of these email swipes on them. Once you've done that, just go to funnels, and then just go to your funnel, and then click on automation rules right here, click on add rule, click on funnel step, click on add action, and then click on subscribe to a campaign right here, and then select the campaign that we've created, which is this energizer, and then just click on save rule, and that should good to go, guys. Right, you can now go to your funnel. So this is your funnel right here. Right, if someone go to this link right here or go to your landing page, they put their name, email right here, they sign up, and then they redirected into this presentation right here where they watch the video, and if they purchase a product, you will get paid 90% of this $49, or you make $37 with this. And once you got 3 sales per day, then you can make $100 per day using this method, right? And then you can send traffic, guys, using Facebook ads. I suggest to use Facebook ads or YouTube ads. You can go to Canva. Let me show you how to set up. Now, I'm not gonna show you guys how to set up an ads. I'm just gonna put in a resources that you can watch and how to run Facebook ads and how to run YouTube ads, right? Guys, you can go to Canva and create a design right here. If you want to set up YouTube ad, you can use YouTube display ad or YouTube video ad right here. You can also use Facebook ad or Facebook ad right here if you wanted to run ads on Facebook. I'm just gonna use YouTube ad right here, and then just let's say you wanted to use this YouTube display ad. So you can, this is where you edit your banner or graphics for your ad right here. So you can choose this one right here, and then change this image into something related to electricity, and then put your, you can actually go back right here and then just copy the headline right here, and then change this with your text. You can remove text right here, remove this one and change this one with you change this logos to related to electricity, and then no more, something like this. And all you have to do is to also don't forget to change this image right here, and just download this into your computer and start using this in your campaign. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much. Again, I'm gonna try to put our resources in the description of this video if you wanted to run YouTube ads or Facebook ads. So that's pretty much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload content like this. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Bye.